This video is going to show you how to create and attach rubrics to assignments, quizzes, and discussions. In order to access your rubrics, you would navigate to the Rubrics area in the course navigation menu, and you may receive this communication, grading expectations, and it will provide you with more help. But just collapse that to add a rubric. You will select the Add Rubric in the upper right. You will give the rubric a title. So you may just do one for discussions. And then you may have different descriptions for the criteria. So for instance, I may grade my discussions based on quality, and I would provide a description, and I'm going to change this to high quality, and I would say a high quality post is one that responds to the question. I'm not going to type it all out because it would take much time. Respond to the question in a meaningful way and adds value to the discussion. So that may be one. I may add another criteria. I could either duplicate that or create a new one by clicking the criterion, and I'm going to say a medium quality. I would add the description here for what that medium quality would look like. I'm going to create that. I'm going to create another one that may be low quality. I will add the description here, the details of what constitutes a low quality post. And then finally, I may have another one that's unacceptable. And I would provide details and an example of what that might look like. Then here I would set the number of points for high quality. So we're going to leave that at 5 just for demonstration purposes, a 4 for medium, a 3 for, actually we're going to go ahead and do, yeah, that's right, a 3 for low, and then a 0 for unacceptable. And so these are the points, and I'm going to create that rubric. So now you can see here's the criteria, here's the points that can be earned, and I'm going to go back and show you how to add a rubric to an assignment. I will click the Assignments tab, and you can actually create a new assignment. You can build the rubric there, but I'm going to show you, I just clicked on an assignment. I can click on the Add Rubric, and here I have the option of creating my rubric here, or I can use the rubric that I just created. So as you can see, here are all of the various rubrics that you can select, and then you select the one that you want and use it. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you would add the rubrics to a quiz. Click the quiz. I'm just randomly showing you. Select a quiz, and then in the upper right with the 3 dots, you're going to create Show Rubric. Click Add Rubric. Again, you can create a rubric or find the rubric and use an existing one. The same process for assignments. Click Assignments. I can go to the assignment. Again, click Add Rubric. You still have the same options where you can select a pre-existing rubric or create a new one. So that's how you would create a rubric, attach it to an assignment, a quiz, or a discussion.